Hey, welcome back to the Victory 4x4 Garage. My name is Daryl. Today we're going to install our Strike rear bumper on the 4th gen Toyota 4Runner. Now for this bumper, 5th gen. You.
I was going to say JT Molly panel.
Which one?
I'll tell you which one. The one that goes right there, okay? Not this one or that one or this one or the one inside or the other side or up top or the back. That one. Today, we're going to be installing our license plate, our fair lead flip bracket.
Bracket. License plate, fairly flip. Or flip up license plate, fairly relocation.
The thing you put this on in front of this thing, okay? And it does this, okay? So you can use this, okay? Good. Now that we figured that out, let's bolt it on. I'm going to be removing these factory Rubicon. Why did I start to say that funny? Maybe I didn't and it was in my head. Anyways.
My wheel's not pink. How is this applicable? I need another word for app.
It was God so smooth. Next, for ease of access, we're going to go ahead and remove this panel with these two 6. This guy. He's gonna come up behind me.
Yeah, for ease of access, you gotta wear a dress when you do this.
Go ahead and don't be wearing pants. We're back in the JCR garage today, and we're gonna be installing these classic sliders. Jesus, I forgot the name of it. I was gonna say JL, I was like, wait a minute.
Yeah. Shiggity swag. Are you rolling?
That sounded fun. But your impact is garbage and won't take them off.
Baby shark, ooh, do do do. How does this thing work? F***ing magic. Is that how this pulls? Oh, this pulls off there like that. So why is it even? Why has it got this whole conundrum thing when it just literally just flops right off? Okay.
A good solid place to store your banana. We did that earlier. Here's one I prepared earlier. I should do that.
269-853.
No, the bottom one. No, you're right. 353.
353.
Woof, woof. Meow.
Oh, Lord, have mercy on my soul.
Here's Johnny. Buy the good brand high lift jack. Don't buy some crap from Harbor Freight or Tractor Supply thinking you're going to save some money, because they're garbage. And if you're going to get smacked in the head someday, you might as well get smacked in the head by something made in America. On the front and rear fairings, and let me wipe off the shit off. I'm going to wipe all the shit off this. Those factory horns. Okay, guys, so I got that removed, but I got really distracted because I haven't had this truck but maybe like 4 months, and I really haven't had the whole front end apart. I just happened to look up and I saw these horns, and I was like, those can't be factory horns. And then we started looking at it a little more, and this is the factory horn. So apparently, somebody either played a really good practical joke on me and tried to not tell me that they put air horns on my truck, or the previous owner did.
Follow along as we install this roof rack on a Lexus GS70. Oh, that's wrong.
I hope to see you on the trail. Maybe you'll see me in the ditch with your ditch light brackets. I'll have to try that again. See me in a ditch, like hopefully not dead, but you never know how you're gonna go. And
Okay. 2 takes, come on, 2 takes. Now remember, you want to press as hard as you can so it goes all the way through as soon as possible.
So welcome back to this old house. Today we're going to be recalking an antique crawfoot bathtub. Just kidding. We're going to install this roof rack.
Before you do the install of the roof rack, go ahead and pick you up a set of them sliders, slidey boys, and you'll be all set.
One of the things we're going to do today, we're doing one thing. We're going to do one thing today.
If you're looking for a little bit more differential protection for your 5th gen 4Runner, follow along is, why would I say follow along? Like, buy this. Get one of these, I'll show you how to put it in. Sit there, watch this. God, I wish we really could make videos like that. Did you buy this? Let me show you how to put it in. Sit there, follow along. Watch this at least once before you try it, if you're stupid, okay? Pretty self-explanatory. There's one of these, 2 of those, that, you just put it together. But if you're dumb, I'll show you how.
All right, if your 4Runner has a receiver hitch, you're going to remove that now. We're going to do that with a 17mm socket or end wrench. And all we have to do is remove these 4 bolts right here. And also all we have to do is remove the 2 bolts underneath.
– 17mm socket. And my battery's dead, so I gotta get a better battery. Is. Heads up, camera guy. Just kidding. Hey.
This or any Victory 4x4 product, give us a call, 269-459-8447, or email us at tech@victory4x4.com. Thanks for your order. Thanks for becoming part of the fart. Okay, 269-459-8447. Ready? All right, that's it. Make sure all those bolts are tight and you are good to go. If you have questions about this product or any Victory 4x4 product, give us a call, 269-459-8447, or email us at victory@victory.victory.victory. What the f***? We should just put this whole thing. Yeah, just this whole me jacking this back up, screwing it up, like just jacking it and just yelling f***.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Kiss my ass. Kiss his. Kiss your ass. Happy Hanukkah.